In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini AI in your Python projects. By the end of this, you'll know how to get it up and running and start generating AI content right from your code. So let's jump in. First, before we can start, we need to install the Gen AI module. You can do this easily using pip. Just run the command in your terminal and it'll set everything up. I've already done this on my machine, so we can move on to the next step. Next, we create a client in Python, which is basically how your code talks to Google Gemini. This client needs an API key. Think of it like a password that allows your code to access the AI. For now, we'll leave it like this, and in a little bit, we'll grab our API key. This part of the code is where we ask Gemini AI to generate some content. We specify which model to use and give it a prompt. In this case, asking it to explain how AI works in just a few words. When we run it, the AI processes our request and sends back a response, which we can then see printed right in our Python application. But to make it work, we need an API key first. Let's get it right away. I've added the Google AI Studio link in the video description so you can easily find it from there. So first, sign up if you haven't already, and then log in. Once you're in, head over to the API Keys section and click on Create API Key. Give your key a name that makes sense to you. After that, either import a project you already have or create a new one. I'm just picking one from my imported projects. Once your API key is ready, copy it and go back to your Python code and paste it in. Now when you run it, Gemini AI will quickly return a response right in your Python application. You can change the content you send to it and see different answers, which is really fun to play around with. Keep in mind, though, that your API key usage isn't unlimited. There are some restrictions. If you need more, you can upgrade your plan from Google AI Studio. Don't forget to check out my other Python tutorials on the channel. There's a lot of fun content waiting for you.